Stahls CAD-CUT patterns have been trending in a big way because it's very easy for designers to utilize these patterns to incorporate multiple colors, dimension, and color gradients with their designs. Now you can easily get these patterns in your custom logos without ever needing a vinyl cutter. Let me show you how it works. You'll start by first bringing up the artwork designer you're planning to use to create your artwork and export that file so that we can upload it in the artwork uploader. I have CADWorks Live that I'm using as my artwork designer, so I'm going to export the file that I want to use by just going to File and selecting Export, and then I will name this file and save it to my computer. All right, I do want to save this as a PDF so it keeps that vector format, but there are a variety of different files you can utilize in the artwork uploader as well. All right, so let's head over to the artwork uploader. All right, so we're on the Stahls home page. We'll select artwork uploader in the top right-hand corner. And as soon as that generates on the screen, we'll see browse to attach. So we'll select browse to attach, and I can find my file within the downloads. As it's uploading the artwork, it's going to analyze it and create a thumbnail of that artwork so I know I have the exact file that I'm looking to utilize here. For this design, we're going to be using custom cut designs. And we are using heat transfer vinyl, so we'll select CAD-CUT designs. And then it's going to ask me to fill out a questionnaire so we can pinpoint what specific material is going to work with the substrate you're heat applying. For this particular application, I'm going to be using a 100% cotton t-shirt. It is a dark color. We will not be using a split front for the design, and there are 2 colors for the materials I'm planning to use. Then it's going to ask me to pinpoint what specific piece of artwork is going to be which material. So for this, I'm going to select the foreground, and that is going to be my patterns in Express Print. Once I select that, it's going to ask me to click to select, and the patterns generator will appear. So everything I was able to choose before when working with the patterns for my vinyl cutter, I can now do with my custom logo. So I'm going to go to Stahls Creative Studios and select the pattern intended to use for this design. So you can see all the options are still the same. For this design, I'm using the Hex Camo. And then I get to choose my colorways as well. So I can individually select these and choose my own colorway. But for this, I'm going to be using this colorway here, which shows me what all colors that's utilizing. Once I've selected the color I'm using, I can hit finish. And now that has become the foreground of my custom design. All right, so now I can select the second color. So I'm giving that the description here as the outline of the artwork that I have uploaded. And I'm going to be using Fashion Film White for this design. Once I've selected all of that, it's going to ask me what width I need everything. So I'm going to do 7 inches in width, and I'm just going to name my design as AGHS Patterns. I can include specific instructions if I need to. And then at this point, all I need to do is fill out my quantity and finish placing my order. All right, all my contact information is already submitted for me, and now all I have to do is submit my artwork by clicking Submit Artwork. At this point, now it's going to show up in my artwork dashboard and show me the progress and status of this so that I can place the order. Once this artwork is approved, I can place my order for my design. And now all you need is your heat press. The designs come already cut and ready to heat apply. Before we heat apply our design, I'm going to do a quick preheat. This releases any moisture or wrinkles in the fabric. Now we can go ahead with the first piece of our design, which is our first layer being fashion film. I'm going to grab my cover sheet and tack this for 3 to 5 seconds so that it's an easier registration with my patterns. Fashion film's a hot pill, so I can go ahead and remove that carrier once that preheat is complete, making sure that I'm not distorting that at all. Now I can lay in the patterns. Now I can heat apply for the full application to ensure that I'm curing the adhesive to the fabric. This is going to apply at 320 degrees for 15 seconds at that fashion film application instruction. Our CAD-CUT Patterns in Express Print is a hot peel, so I can go ahead and remove that carrier. And my custom patterns design with CAD-CUT Fashion Film is complete. Take your heat transfer designs to the next level with CAD-CUT Patterns, now available in custom logos. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.